Dear students, this channel Articulate is meant for providing you every possible information as well as the curriculum which is required to you, that too timely and absolutely free. So, do watch. Enjoy now. So, let me clear some very basic information regarding the assignment which has to be submitted by you all for the first year of the semi-education. I'm talking about IGNOU, of course. Okay, so whatever doubt you have, I would like to try to clear it out here. And still, if you have some other doubts also, you can drop the message over the comment box, because you have the time also very less. Now it's about only 30th November is the last date for submission. Okay, so just note it down quickly, or you can have the screenshot also. So you are having here overall 6 subjects, so 6 assignments are there, and the very basic information which is given to you is that the assignment responses may be submitted by hand or sent by registered post to the program in charge of your program study center, and you should retain a copy of all the assignments in your own interest. Okay, you should keep a copy of all your work. It is for your own safety, right? So your first assignment is MES 011 Understanding Education, and it is having 3 questions. First is what is meant by culture, and explain how education acts as an instrument of culture, and its answer is to be given in 500 words. Second is discuss how political system and education system influence each other in a democratic society. Again, this question is to be responded in 500 words. Next is describe briefly individual and social aims of education. Is there antithesis between these aims of education? Justify your answer. Again, 500 words. Here in this first year, this all assignments, this is including the questions which is to be answered in 500 words. Next is MES 012, that is education, nature and purposes. Here again we have 3 questions. First question is explain education as a process of socialization and as a process of reconstruction of experiences, to be responded in 500 words. Next is discuss aims of education according to Upanishads. And next is suppose you are requested to develop a new curriculum in the subject area of your choice at the school or college level. Discuss the steps that you would follow while developing the new curriculum, right? Then MES 013 is learning, learner and development. Here first question is discuss Vygotsky's socio-cultural perspective in learning and its educational implications. Second is describe the nature and importance of learning languages and social sciences in school curriculum. Third is explain the concept of authentic activities. Take up any authentic task and explain how different skills can be developed collaboratively, right? Then MES 0414 is societal context of education. Here first question is explain various agencies of socialization and interface among them. Second is explain briefly the role of teacher in planning, transaction and evaluation of curriculum. Third is discuss the concepts of equity and equality in education. Illustrate with examples strategies that can work effectively for bringing in equity at different levels of education. Now next MES 015 operational dimensions of education. Here first question is explain the meaning and types of peer group. Discuss the role of peer group in education of children. Second is describe how physical resources of an educational institutions can be managed to optimize institutional performance. And third is identify a topic of your choice from the secondary school curriculum and prepare a lesson plan on it. Right? And the last assignment MES 016, that is educational research. Again, it carries 3 questions. First is explain the meaning and characteristics of experimental research and describe how a researcher can control intervening variables in an experimental research. Second is describe briefly the components of a research report. And last is select a research problem pertaining to educational practices at school or college level, appropriate for descriptive survey research, and prepare a detailed research proposal on the same problem, right? Now let us move to the next thing, that is date I have already confirmed to you, that is 30th of November 2021. Okay, And if we talk about the making of the assignment, how to make it. So here I'm showing it to you, a kind of small demo. Okay, these kind of files, paper files is to be taken, plastic files, poly files will be rejected, it will not be accepted. It's very clearly mentioned in the guidelines of IGNOU, right? So then you can use some laces, right, thread laces, or it could be stapled also, that is your wish. Then paper kind type, if you can need to use blank paper also, A4 size, or you can use a rolling paper also, instead of blank paper, right? If we talk about the ink, then you can use blue ink or black ink, right? Then front page is very important, and that front page can be printed also, or it could be handwritten also, right? And now how to write and how to fill this front page, let me show you. So this all basic informations, it is to be attested with every assignment, means each subject assignment, right? It should be at the front, and this all information is to be filled very accurately and mandatorily, right? Very firstly, you need to fill up the enrollment number, right? Secondly, your name, and then your address. Then comes the course title, that is your MADO or whatever, right? Course code is like it is MES 011, MES 012 in this way. Assignment number is been already mentioned there in the subject assignment list of the your specific subject. And then assignment number, suppose it is your first assignment, second assignment, third assignment, in this way you need to just mention the number. Then comes the address of study center, you need to fill very correctly, okay? In case you are not sending the file to the study center, although you are supposed to send your file to the study center only, right? In case for any sort of mishappening or any sort of issue, if the respective in charges of the study center themselves say that you are not supposed to send the study center your assignment to the study center, in that case you can contact the regional center and you can send your material to the regional center, right? But still in this front page you are supposed to write the address of your study center, okay? And this whole material, when you bind up within a big and solid envelope, over that envelope you can mention the address of the RC, that is regional center. Next comes the phone number, right? Phone number, your own contact number, should be mobile number obviously. And then the email ID, the ID through which you have registered in the samarthedu.in, okay? That ID you need to write. Then at the last date, the date on which you are submitting it, you are posting it, or you are giving it through your own hands, and then your own signature, right? This all information is very compulsory. It could be it has to be filled out through you only, obviously it should not be typed one, but this format can be printed, or it could be handmade also, right? And then we talk about the dispatching of the assignment. Then it could be done through speed post if you are out to the center where your center is there, okay? If you are outside, then you can send it through a speed post, is more better. Otherwise, it has been mentioned that it is more better if you go and give it to the respective in charge through your own hands and get the receipt also in return. And then finally you need to keep in mind few things, that it should be very presentable, right? Margins, proper margins should be there, right? Through any highlighter or any sort of marker you can highlight some very specific headlines and any particular terms also. So in this way, try to make it very legible. It should reflect as if that PG level student has designed it, okay? So in that way you should design whatever subject you belong. Although if you are not belonging to the education subject, you are opting with any other subject, still you need to keep in mind the similar informations and similar all these carefulness you need to keep in mind, okay? You need to be very careful. So wish you all the best, and after submission of the assignment only you will be supposed to fill your exam form, and last date of the exam form is 5th of December, right? So submit it quickly and get your exam form filled. Wish you all the best.
Alright.